Oh my God, Rebreeze, check this out. The right motivation, right on your phone, at the right time. Where Cool Alarm meets Real Recess Wellness. You can now program your phone to play Real Recess videos at the right time throughout the day to make active lifestyle living even easier. Here's how it goes. Let's show you how to download and use the Cool Alarm app. I'm going to go from my Android device, click on the Google Play Store. From there, I search Cool Alarm. That Cool Alarm should pop up with a blue icon made by Software Design. Click that, install it. About 10,000 people have installed it so far, and I predict that number will go up way higher in the next couple weeks. Once it downloads and verifies, we're going to click the Open button here. From that Open button, you can see I have already assigned a couple videos there. All right, I'm going to hit a new one. Let's go to Name the Alarm. How about we Wakey Wakey? All right, you can name it whatever you want. Wakey Wakey. For the next couple days, I'm going to wake up at, say, 6:15 a.m. All right, we're going to pick the days of the week. Let's just do Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Okay, from there, you can select the video, or you can go back and do it from YouTube. All right, so in this YouTube, anywhere in YouTube, let's go to Real Recess, one word, lifestyle. All right, a few things should pop up there. You can select any video. There's also a playlist for Cool Alarm, things that I think may be good for you. Ooh, tire boxing. See if you can do some tire boxing at 6 a.m. All right, so from there, that's where you hit the share button. You find the Cool Alarm icon, click on it, assign it to the video. Boom, there we go. Okay, now from the settings, you can adjust the volume of the video. We can go to a more in-depth screenshotted instructions, more things that you want to do. But one of the most important things to make this app functional is we need to go, there we go, back to our Cool Alarm, cancel, come on, and allow, hit the settings button there. We're going to allow your phone to disrupt whatever you're doing at that time. So you see the Cool Alarm there, allow it to open up at any time without you having to open it up. Okay, that's, if you don't click that, it's not gonna, your phone won't allow the alarm to work. And there you go. Happy, healthy habits. That's amazing. Okay, so go download the Cool Alarm and get started now. While you're here at RealRecess.com, we've got a complete guide to healthy living. There's a printed version available as well. Morning and evening routines. There's even 3 staple movements to make healthy lifestyle even easier. Be sure to check out the comprehensive assessment just to see how you're doing with wellness in your life. There's a whole page about how to make your living space even more movement friendly. Learn all about the Real Recess Corporate Wellness Program with free printouts available. Remember to subscribe to the blog and follow our social media pages for up-to-date trends and information. Together, we are going to break for health.